Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about recent and latest update AIPRM prompts in Chatgpt, especially research prompts. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important prompts updated related with research in AIPRM prompts in Chatgpt. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on EV charging station and PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind system, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy from them. And then we are going to model it with charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So after that, we are going to model PV wind grid converter, and then PV wind EV battery system with AC grid. So we are going to incorporate all this renewable energy sources with grid as well as EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So we are going to discuss about Chatgpt prompts. So go to Chatgpt. So in this Chatgpt, you may be familiar with AIPRM Chatgpt prompts. So if you are not installed this AIPRM Chatgpt prompts, just go to Google. So and then type AIPRM Chatgpt prompt extension. So that is Chrome extension. So after that, so it will show a Chrome extension here. So what you can do is, so you can add, so here you can see. So this is AIPRM for Chatgpt. So as I have already added in my Chrome browser. So just if you are not added, so just click on add to Chrome. So it will automatically added in your browser. So here you can see that AIPRM for Chatgpt, just pin that, so automatically, so it will generate AIPRM Chatgpt prompts. So in this you can see there are around 4,898 prompts are available. So in this video we are going to discuss about the latest updated AIPRM prompts, especially related with research. So let us check it out. So in order to explore that recent AIPRM prompts, so just go to this sort by options and you can click on latest updates. So just click on latest updates. So after that you can see different types of prompts are available. So here you can see on page SEO meta, TLDR extract facts and summarize, Python Pro, keyword strategy, Midjourney, material fantasizr. So like that different prompts are available. So just to click on next, so it will add prompts. So daily there are around 100 prompts are added daily. So you can make use of this option. So here you can see that keyword research for article. So next listicle writing research specialist. So next you can see like that you can click on next. So it will show better prompts here. So in this video I have taken 3 important prompts. So let us explore the 3 important prompts. So the first prompt and unique prompt what we are going to discuss today is that rewrite any paragraph in 10 plus unique formats. So just to click on that prompt. So you can copy and paste what is the paragraph to be rewritten. So just to copy and paste the paragraph. So here I have taken a random paragraph here and I am going to copy that paragraph. So let us see how this prompt will generate answer for us. So the important thing is that, so it will generate 10 plus unique formats. That is very important. So whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so even if you have done plagiarism reduction, so if it is not works out well for you, so you can use this kind of prompt. So here you can see for 10 different types it is changing. So here first one is concise. So this can be summarized into a simpler version into 2 lines. So next one is improved flow and coherence. So like that according to the flow and coherence of that paragraph it is generated. Next engaging. So here engaging, it is like a story. So imagine a system that captures sunlight and turns into electricity, like that. So persuasive, next formal, next informal, detailed, removing unnecessary words. This will be very important. So whenever you want to improve the quality of your research paper, so you can use this removing unnecessary words. Next changing the tone, then accurate. So after even it is expanded into next 2, that is clarity and brevity, simpler terms. So like that 12 different versions version of a single paragraph will be generated. So how far this can be useful for our research is that, so you can use this for your plagiarism reduction whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, or if any reviewer has advised you to improve the quality of your content, so you can use this kind of option to make a single paragraph into 10 unique formats and make your research paper writing easy. So the next prompt what we are going to discuss is that human-like 300 words. So the human-like writing is one of the major problem faced by our fellow researchers. So whenever your paper is subjected to AI plagiarism, so you can use this kind of tool to write human-like 300 words article. For example, if you are giving an article title, so I am going to give a title like this. So importance of cyber security in energy management. So like that I am going to give an input topic. So let us see how it will write like a human. So here you can see that our content is started to generated. The importance of cyber security in energy management, why it matters. So in the digital era, everything seems to be increasingly connected and reliant on technology. One sector significantly impacted by technological advancement is the energy sector. With technological progress, energy management is no longer performed manually, but with this assistance of complex systems. So like that, so here you can see that a brief explanation is generated as like human in 3000 words. So it is a fantastic option. So you can make use of this prompt to write your content. The important thing is that the content will be generated in Indonesian. So that Indonesian, if you want to change that Indonesian language into English, so you can give an input prompt like this, make the above content in English. So automatically the content will be converted into English. So this is how you can use this kind of prompt. So this second prompt will be very helpful for you to generate human-like content in 3000 words. So you can make use of this option to generate content for your research paper. So the third prompt what we are going to discuss today is that advanced grammar checker. So just click on this advanced grammar checker. So here you will be having this advanced grammar checker prompt. So what you can do is you can copy and paste any content, so the grammar to be checked. So you can, for example, I am going to copy this content and I am going to paste here. So just click on enter. So there are many grammar checking templates are available. So this kind of templates will give an unique that is content. So like that, so here you can see that the corrected version of that particular paragraph will be generated here. So here you can see there will be a difference in this content and this content. So all comma, full stop, punctuation errors. So whatever the errors available in the paragraphs are corrected here. So in fraction of seconds, so you can improve your grammar writing. That is, whenever you have submitted your paper in any of the journals, so this one will be a major question will be asked: improve the quality of your research paper or improve that is grammar or language in your research paper. So whenever they are asked a question like this, so just copy and paste the content of your research paper here, and you can get corrected easily using this advanced grammar checker option. So these are the important AIPRM Chatgpt prompts or recently updated Chatgpt prompts. So you can go on and check. There are many different prompts are also available in this AIPRM Chatgpt prompts. So this 3 prompts is very unique. The first one is all about you can generate a single paragraph into 10 different versions. The second one is that a brief article can be human-like written article can be generated in seconds using that prompt. The third one will be advanced grammar checker. It will be very useful for you to improve the quality of your research paper. So this is all about this AIPRM Chatgpt prompts. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.